Everybody, I'm Chris Van Dyke and I'm one of many fine jewelers in the Craft Guild. I've been making jewelry for 30 years and have been part of the Craft Guild for 18. Some of my techniques for making jewelry include hand fabrication, casting, as well as computer-aided design. You can see my work in Weaverville, North Carolina at Maya Gallery, or simply follow the link provided by the Guild to my Etsy page. On a personal note, I have 3 growing boys, so any money made from the sales will go towards milk, cereal, and fixing the things they've broken. If you decide to shop on Etsy and type in the code CRAFTFAIR, you'll get 10% off on all purchases. On a final note, I'll be doing some live streaming during the fair, so be sure to check the schedule. Hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.